Hi, this is Roxanne. I'm really excited about reading your two favorite people paragraphs that I assigned. I've not read them yet, obviously. They're actually not even due yet. You've got a couple more hours. Anyway, today is about your next writing assignment, which is a literary theme analysis that's different than a parallel analysis. In the parallel analysis, you looked at the piece of literature and you saw a reflections, a parallel or a mirror image or a reflection. What you're going to be doing with the literature now is you're going to be identifying a theme or a main idea. A theme or a main idea is really similar to when you were little and you read fairy tales and there's a moral of the story. That's what a theme is. So it's what the message is. What is the author trying to say? And there's as many messages as there are people reading the literature. The intro paragraph will be a little different than the parallel analysis intro paragraph, so I have a bunch of information for you. But before we even start that, I told a few of you that I would show you how to do the header correctly. And so what I'm going to do is get myself off the screen right now, and I'm going to show you how to insert the header and then make sure it goes into Tahoma 12. Okay, so this is Monica Wright's paper, and it looks great. She's got everything going for her. She even did her review, which is when you go to ABC and it tells you if there's anything spelled wrong, and no, there isn't. But what's missing is the header. And so what you do, this is the easiest way to do it, is to go up to Insert, click on Insert, and then you're going to come over here. Many people make the mistake of clicking on the header because you want it to go in the header. But what you want to do is click on page number. So click on page number, and then these options pop up. Click on the first option, which is top of page. And then you have a window that will pop up that looks something like this. There's plain number 1, plain number 2, and plain number 3. You want to click on plain number 3 because you want your last name and page number to be on this side of the paper. And now you're in your header. You'll notice that the ink here turned light gray, which is what it's supposed to do because you're in the header now. And so, and it's telling you that it's page 1. But what's missing is your last name, and also what's missing is Tahoma 12. So what you do from right here is you type your last name in and put a space. Then you highlight it. You go back to home and you click on Tahoma 12. And then you're still not done. Then you double click out, and there you have it, and then you save it. Save, 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 save. Okay, so I'm going to stop talking right now, and what you need to do is you need to get ready for the lesson that is going to be happening that is all about the theme analysis. Okay, so before we move on, and it'll probably be on a different video, what you need to have with you is your literature packet. You're going to be reading Shame, which is by Dick Gregory. It's one of the first short stories in the packet, and I have all the information in our Blackboard Learning module. You're going to need to be on page 66, which actually shows you a fill-in-the-blank form. I'm holding it up here. That's a fill-in-the-blank form for the body paragraph, and you're going to be using that. Some people just start writing right in here, but remember this is the only copy you have. So if you might want more copies than this, then what you're going to want to do is make copies of this before you start writing all over it. And then what you're also going to want to do is turn to have access to page 54, which begins with themes. I also have a video for you about themes. So again, a theme is a main idea. For example, a theme in my life right now is disorganization. Today, especially, as you can see, I didn't even have a chance to put a hat on. I'm running around correcting papers, and the electrician's coming, and the water's not working, and my car blew up, and just, Anyway, so that's what a theme is. It's a main idea. Sometimes we have main ideas that go through our entire lives, and sometimes there's a theme in our day. And the same can be said for characters in literature, depending on what's going on in their lives. They can have a really fabulous day, so the theme would be fabulousness due to love, or it might be something negative, which I don't want to go there. So anyway, have all of that paperwork ready, and when you're done, click on the next video, and what I'm going to do is go over an actual student paper and show you exactly what I need from you. And because this is such a huge assignment, you have no threaded discussion this week. I want you to spend all of your time writing, and writing means writing, rewriting, editing, brainstorming, rewriting. So I will talk to you in a bit. Oh, go Giants.